Gilbert the other day, and it reminded me how much I love to go fishing. So I'm right here at my preschool in Albert Lee, and I was going to tell you about the things I do after I get done fishing. I went this morning and I caught 4 fish, but now I was wondering which one was heavier or what colors. I just was curious about them, so I thought we'd talk to a teacher and have her help us do some weighing to see which one is the heaviest. So let's check it out. I got 4.
You do, Earl. I like this. Now, Earl, let's just practice. What color is this fish that you caught?
I think I know it. Yeah, red. You're right. It's red. Yes.
Good job, Earl. And you said you had 4. Here's your next one. What color is this one?
It's that color like the sunshine.
Mm-hmm.
It's, yeah, yellow. It's yellow.
Good
Did
job.
you get it?
Here comes even another one. What color would this fish be?
Oh, that one's like the grass.
Yeah, it is.
Friends, do you know what color it is? Yeah, it is. It's a green fish. You got it.
Very good. Oh, one more I have to reach. It was behind you. Tell me about this fish, Earl.
Well, that fish is the color of the sky and the water, and it starts with a b sound. It's, do you guys know? Yeah, it's blue. You're right again. I love colors.
Which one did you catch first?
I caught the red first.
Oh, okay. So the first one you caught was red. Earl, I'm going to get this scale up here.
A scale? What does a scale do?
Well, that's a very good question. Scales help us determine how much things weigh or which one's heavier or lighter. And so you said you caught the red fish first. I'm going to put it on this side of the scale. See how the scale went down? That means having a fish in here is heavier than not having, than nothing. Exactly. Now, after you caught your red one, what's the next color that you caught?
Then I caught the blue.
I bet that was hard because it's the same color as the water, but you still saw it swimming and you caught it. So I'm going to put that in our scale. I'm just going to try to move the camera so we can see it a little bit. Do you think it's going to make the scale go down, or do you think the scale is going to stay up like this, Earl?
Well, what makes it go down, Miss Archer?
Well, what makes it go down is if it would be heavier, if blue would weigh more than the red.
Oh, I'm gonna guess that the blue is heavier.
You know, and it's an absolute guess because we can't feel them right now at your house, or Earl, you're not holding them either to feel them, so it was just a guess. But let me put it in. I saw something happen. Instantly, this blue one went down. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the fish and take out the number or what's inside. Inside this red fish is the number.
Oh, yeah, I know that number. It's number 2.
Very good, Earl. Put him back in here. Inside this, now watch what happens when I take the blue fish out. It goes back down because 2 is more than
nothing.
Good one, Earl. All right, when I take the number out of blue,
Wonder what it is.
I wonder. Let's find out. Whoa, it is a
8.
It's an 8. Now let's watch it again. 8 is over here. 2 was over on this side. Let's see what happens. I'll put the 8 in. 8 is more than 2. So now we know that.
8's a bigger number.
8 is a bigger number. It is more than 2. So a fish that had the number 8 in would have been heavier than the fish with the number 2.
Oh, very interesting.
Very interesting. In fact, let's try it one more time because after you caught your red fish and your blue fish, you still had 2 more fish. Do you remember which one you caught? The third?
I do. I caught, the third fish was yellow. I remember, like the sun, yellow.
Okay, so I'll put yellow on this one, and I'll put green on this one. And I'm going to put this one in at the same time, and we'll talk about what we see.
Wow.
What What do you see, Earl?
Well, at first I saw it bounce a little bit and then boom! Down went the yellow side.
Down went the yellow side. That's telling us that this yellow one is
Heavier!
heavier. Good job. All right, now let's take the numbers out and see what it is. I'll take out this number
I'm
from
so
yellow.
curious.
Curious, that's a great word. It's the number.
I know. It's number 5.
It is 5. Hey, Earl, I can't remember. You're going to turn 5 pretty soon, aren't you?
I am pretty soon.
That's going to be exciting.
And then I get to go to kindergarten.
Whoa, very exciting. I'm going to take this next number now out of green, okay? I'll take it out, and it's the number.
I know. It's 3. I used to be 3.
Exactly. You used to be 3, and now you're 4.
I was 3, then 4, then I'm going to be 5.
5. Very good. Now, I'm going to put both numbers in again because I want to find out which one is the bigger number or which one weighs more.
I knew I was going to be 5.
How did you know?
Because when I was 3, I was like this. And now I'm going to be 5 and I'm like this.
Whoa! So you have gotten bigger. 5 is a bigger number than 3. I have one more question about numbers. If your mom said you could have cookies, would you rather have 5 cookies or 3 cookies?
I would rather have 5.
That's a lot of cookies. If you ate 5 all at one time, you might get a tummy ache.
Yeah, but I could share with a friend if I had 5.
That's a good idea, too.
Even a few friends.
Yeah, because 5 is more than 3. Well, Earl, do you know what? I have to go, but thanks for talking to me about measuring today.
Thanks for helping me see which fish was heavier.
You bet. We'll talk to you later, Earl. Bye.
Goodbye.